I am just off the phone with an estate administration client, and she had a really difficult time responding to a commissioner of accounts auditor letter saying that she hasn't properly substantiated her accounting. And this is really common. This is called an exception letter. We get them all the time. And in this case, there were expenses that predate the client's qualification as administrator of the estate, and she needed to substantiate those expenses. That turned out to be really hard. And this is what is causing me to record this video with this tip. When you are the administrator or executor of an estate and you need to communicate with a third party about money having to do with the estate, like American Express, Citi, even an insurance company or anything like that, the natural inclination of people is to pick up the phone and call. And that's the wrong move. My advice for you would be to change your way of thinking, change your habit, change your response to writing. Write a letter to the credit card company saying you need a copy of the bill or statement for which this expense, this disbursement paid. And that will save you a lot of time. Because if you call, you're going to go through a phone tree, and then you're going to get a customer service representative. They're not going to know who you are or what you're talking about or what to do. They're going to call their manager, and then the manager is going to tell you, we need you to submit this in writing so that we know that you have authority to speak to us about this thing. You'll get stymied, in other words. And so if you write a letter and you provide a certificate of qualification, and the letter says what you're asking for and shows them more information about like the account you're interested in and talking about, and et cetera, so on and so forth, then they will be more able to respond properly to you. And if they don't respond properly to you, this is where you need an attorney in your estate administration matter, because an attorney can send a subpoena to that institution, which they are legally required to respond to within 21 days. And so if you get nowhere with your writing, don't waste time with it. Call your attorney. Say, Mish, I need you to send a subpoena to Wells Fargo. They haven't been responsive to what I need. Get the process started. This will save you a lot of time and aggravation if you, instead of calling, write a letter. If your letter doesn't get anywhere, get your attorney to send a subpoena. All right, if you need any help with an estate, reach out to us at Speedwell Law. Thanks.